Hi, I'm Matt Mulvaney from Explorer, in a series of how-to guides for forms developers. In this video, I'll be creating a forms data block based on one single table and place it on a canvas to create an Oracle Forms application. I will then create the same application in Oracle Application Express using a tabular form, just to show you how easy it is. In my Forms Builder application, I'm going to create the simple application. I'll create this using the data block wizard and the layout wizard. So first I need to select my table, and then my table will be Scott.depth. I'll select all the columns from that table, and I'll call the layout wizard. We'll use a new content canvas, and we'll pick all columns to edit. We'll accept the defaults, and we'll create a tabular style data block with a title departments. We'll show 10 records, and we'll display a scroll bar. We'll finish that. The canvas is opened up with the multi-line 10 record data block. We can run the application, and then we can enter execute query mode to see those records. What we can do is we can add the plus button and add a new department, and we can also change any of the values in the form. So let's change operations to facilities, and we can commit to this and save the record. Now in Application Express we have a much more modern interface. I'm going to create the same application by creating a new page. I'm then going to pick Form and then Tabular Form. Now a tabular form most resembles an Oracle Forms data block with the ability to view records and edit records. I'm now going to pick the same table, the depth table. We'll pick the same columns, and we'll allow operations for update, insert and delete. I would like to select a primary key. The primary key is the first column, depth to no. Following the wizard through to the next step, it asks me for when I create a new record, how will the primary key be populated? Through an existing trigger, an X sequence, or in this example I'm going to pick custom PL/SQL function, and in the source I'm going to write some PL/SQL. This simply selects the maximum department number plus 10 into a local variable from the department table and then returns that value. The updatable columns are going to be dname and lock. I do not wish to update the primary key. Press next again, and then in this page it's asking me for the labels. I'll accept the defaults. We'll create a new navigation menu entry. On the left hand side of the screen we want to call this page Update. Select Next. I'm happy with the button labels for cancel, delete and add row, and when I click any of these buttons I would like to branch back to my home page or stay on the same page if I apply the changes. Next and create. Application Express will open up in the page editor the page that I've just created. I'm able to run this straight away by hitting the run button and then log into my workspace. Here you have the same table. I can add a row, support, London, and I can also change some of these records as well. We can apply those changes and we have a notification in the top right hand corner. You can see straight away that Oracle Application Express has a much cleaner, more modern, more usable and far less cluttered interface than Oracle Forms. For more information, including our blog articles, visit www.explorer-development.uk.com.